Hey guys, I want to just share you a little bit of an announcement with Altair's Global Student Contest, which I came across. So Altair decided to host I think over a year, a contest which has monthly prizes, monthly winners, also depending on region in the world. So it's not just one prize for all. And yeah, it's about lightweight structures, optimization, and because the channel here is also dedicated to topology optimization quite a bit, so I wanted to share that with you. So what it's all about, student content. So for sure you have to be a student in this case, and I think you can use any Altair products. So it's not just Inspire, but also you could use Hyperworks. And you see the prices here. There's a global grand prize at the end of the contents, which is 7.5K. Nice. And monthly prices of 750 for the best entry of each region. And I'm not sure about the region, but for sure there's a American, European, Asian region. I don't know. I have to see that for myself, the regions. But you can also check that out for yourself. Just read through here. I think it's all written here. And also what I came across here is the personal edition, which is also a cool thing. So if you are not a student, you can just get a personal edition, which is valid for 90 days, and you can renew the license. And yeah, for sure you have to learn maybe the things here, so you can check that out. There's a instructional video series here and tutorials, so you can check those out. And what's also pretty cool is that you can see the winners or the videos which were submitted here. Watch all winner videos. So you go here and then you have, for example, Mr. Bauer here. And he did. Wait. Oh. Okay. Now, all right. Mr. Bauer did something with Boltzmann method, right? CFD. So you can just look at that and yeah, also get a little bit of inspiration from those kind of videos. It's also a quick way to learn about different designs and stuff like that. So pretty cool. Maybe we will do some reaction videos on those videos in the future. That could be a thing. Yeah, so once again, check that out. Altair Global Student Contest. I will link that in the description below. And I hope you all can take part and win prizes, hopefully. Have a good one.